None of our Diwalis are complete without doing a round of Blind School Diwali Bazaar. So we are here doing our annual ritual in this festival season. Most of the stalls here are by NGOs and self-help groups, and many of these are run by women. This is a Diwali Bazaar with a cause. It is organized in the premises of Blind Relief Association, the association that provides education and training to blind folks so that they can earn livelihood. One of the most sought after stalls at Blind School Diwali Bazaar is, of course, Blind Relief Association stall. Here you'll find a lot of stuff made by blind students like Diwali decoration, paper products, envelopes, bags, accessories, home decor, Diwali diyas, hatti, candles. So a lot of people would come to Diwali Bazaar to buy stuff from the Blind Relief Association stall. It's like an annual ritual for us too. There's this Kandil stall behind me. It's one of the oldest stalls here. If you ask me, like, one of the must visit stalls, the one is this Kandil stall and Blind Relief Association stall. Talking about providing training and livelihood opportunities, if you come to Blind School Diwali Bazaar, you'll see a lot of blind masoors. So if you are tired of shopping, if you are tired of roaming around these stalls, you can actually sit and relax. And these blind masoors are specially trained in all sort of massages. So you can get a 30-minute or 45-minute massage. That is one example of providing livelihood opportunities to blind folks. Apart from that, there is a special cafe which is totally run by blind folks. So this is a Diwali Bazaar with a cause, and that makes Blind Relief Diwali Bazaar stand out from rest of the festival markets.
I bought two articles. One, this bag that you can see right here. This is something which I can wash and carry every day, and it's so subtle, it's so sober, so I really like it. And I also bought these pens. So these pens are made of paper and they are eco-friendly. So I feel this is my bit this Diwali.
इस पेन्स के अंदर ये खासियत है कि इसमें रेफिल सिर्फ प्लास्टिक का, रेस्ट वाला पेपर, और जब हम रोल करते हैं तो यहाँ पे स्पेस होता है, तो वहाँ पे हमने सीड्स फिल किए हैं. सो आफ्टर यूजिंग हमारा रेफिल जैसे ख़त्म हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि नॉर्मली सब पेन्स फेंकते ही हैं, कभी फेंक भी रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे एक प्लांट भी हमारा आ रहा है. दैट्स अ कंसेप्ट.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Also eco-friendly. Go green, no crackers, and buy eco-friendly.
So this is my Blind School Diwali Mela shopping. I used to see these type of bags हर फेयर में, बट मैं हमेशा अवॉइड कर देती थी लेना और डीले कर देती थी, बट दिस टाइम आई फाइनली गॉट इट.
My word starts and ends with food. So I've bought a chapati box. So my cook Didi makes chapatis for me, and generally I consume it a little late. So she puts it in a plastic casserole that I've never liked. But this chapati box is made out of jute. And Blind School Diwali Bazaar has a lot of stalls where you get handcrafted, hand created stuff. I really loved it, and the price was also reasonable. So I just went for it. This is my Blind School Diwali Bazaar shopping. On till 17th of October. The venue is Blind Relief Association premises near Lodi Road and very close to Oberoi Hotel. Timings are 10:30 till 8:30, and there is no entry charges. It's free for everybody. A word of caution, there is no parking at Blind School Diwali Bazaar. So if you're driving, you'll have to park at Sundar Nursery parking, and from there the school is not walkable. So you'll have to take an auto rickshaw or e-rickshaw. But I would suggest that you take public transport. Nearest metro station on one side is Hauskas, on the other side is Zorbag. You can come by metro, and then you can take an auto to come to Blind School Diwali Bazaar, or take a cab. If you're planning to shop a lot, then metro might not work for you. Then you can take a cab. Then there's no hassle for parking. While the Mela is very popular with people who want to shop for Diwali and for festival season, for us it's like a ritual, and we like coming here to soak in the festival vibes. So if you don't even want to shop, come visit Blind School Diwali Bazaar just to soak in the festive vibe.